Hey Project Fam, full disclosure, since I finished with the Beast, I've been looking for a new project, and guess what? I think I found one. So this is a Porsche 911, it's a Carrera 4S, it's a cabriolet, sounds great, looks great. It actually is, the color is a silver and a blue. There are imperfections all over this car. The rear taillights need to be replaced, like the brackets are broken. There are scratches. It might be letting in some moisture. This may look like an easy project, but it's not. Oh, one of the good things I like is Michelin pilots. Those are the brakes. The brakes look like they were just done. There's a story behind it. You don't put Pilot Sports on a cheap car you don't care about. So I like the fact that there were Pilot Sports all around. It's missing a little cap for the gas cap. Tons of scratches. I will not address all these scratches immediately. I do have to clean up the car and see what those rims look like. I've been a fan of black rims for the longest. I might keep these. So both fenders need to be replaced. I was trying to figure out what happened to this car. The front bumper cover needs to be replaced. The inserts are all trashed. Both headlights are gone. Man, this car ran beneath a truck. It ran under a loading dock, a truck. It hit something. I don't know. I hope everyone's all right. Airbags did not deploy. It's missing side mirrors, which makes zero sense to me. More scratch marks. Starts up really nicely. My two requirements for this project, it had to be a stick and it had to be a convertible. Just wanted to try something new. The only thing I didn't really notice in the pictures before I bought it was in the back, the rollover support of both door cards are missing. There's a garage door opener, which I like, means it was garage kept, and the rollover support in the back, it was deployed. So that's the only thing I didn't anticipate, but all in all, it'll be a great project. If you're interested in watching me build this car and rebuild it back in the garage using simple tools, subscribe to the channel.